It's Monday 17th of October 2022, it's about 1 o'clock. Forecast was for cloud clearing, which is just the odd bit of high level cloud coming in and out. Really? I'll try and see if I can find a clip of it. Philippa Drew, Good Morning Britain, lunchtime, whatever. Look at the state of this. Not really trying to block out the sun, are they? Quick look at this thing. High level cloud, don't forget. That's the groundworks on cue. There's the moon over there. It was covered a minute ago. It's just not acceptable.